Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set a unique validation error notice in WooCommerce checkout page using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see error message. So we are going to set one message. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see validation message, add a unique custom one. Please fill in all required field to place order. So you can add your custom message here. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page. Now you see multiple error. Now refresh the page. Scroll down. Enable this option and then click on place order. Now you see unique error message. Please fill in all required field to place order. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.